Okay, here's a quick video how to fix a switch from IKEA lamp Årstid, or if you're not from Sweden, you can pronounce it Arstid probably. So first thing you need to do is remove the lamp cover. That one is out, and then remove this part. And it's hard to go longer than that. You can try to rotate the brass part, it will rotate, but it will not help you. You can try to rotate the white part, and it kind of goes just a little bit, but then it's not going any further. But if you look inside, you can see there is a black part over there which needs to be pressed. Let me see if you can focus on it. And at the same time you rotate the white part. So that one is just stopping against the white vertical ones and does not allow you to rotate. But if you press it and rotate, then you can get it out. Let me see. Let me see if we can do it. So we press. Yeah, first rotate a bit and press and rotate, and yeah. And after a few revolutions you can just take it out. And then we have these two terminals. So this one you just unscrew, and that one is a bit harder to remove. But we start with the first one. So we unscrew that one. Not fully. Alright, and then you need to prime the black one, and this is the second time I disassemble it, so I did it before. So if you just do it for the first time, it will go very hard, and basically you need to pull it out. So you pull kind of cable up. Just do it carefully so you don't break the cable, and then when you lift it up, you will see a screw over there which secures the other terminal to the cable. See the blue cable down there? So that one needs to be primed just enough so you can unscrew that one. Alright, so we unscrew that one. Yep. And then let me see what we see here. So that's our switch, and that's where it broke. And again here it will not go out very easily, so you need to kind of prime it also up. I already did it, so it goes easier right now. And then you will see the second terminal over there. So that's the one you need to unscrew. You can even try to, I mean, you could try to remove it just like that. You don't need actually to unscrew it. So you remove it, insert the other one, yeah, prime it through the hole, and then fix it, and then the rest is just to put back everything in the reverse order. So that's how you fix the switch for IKEA lamp Årstid.